What's going on, folks? Will Stewart here with Will Stewart 365, and today we are back with another unboxing and first impressions, this time from the house of Montale, which is also, I think, a part of Montserrat, and we are going to be unboxing one of their fragrances, Wood and Spices. I hear this one's an absolute banger. We are going to see if this fragrance smashes the box. Thanks for coming back to the channel, folks. Make sure you are hitting that like and subscribe button down below. 90% of our viewers haven't subscribed to the channel yet. You don't want to miss out. We put out content on the regular. Sometimes at least once a week. I try to get a video out at least once a week, sometimes 3 to 4 times a week, just to make sure that you are hitting that notification bell. And that way YouTube can tell you every single time that I post a new video. Today we are going to be doing a review of Montale Paris Wood and Spices Eau de Parfum. This one here is in the 100 ml, the 3.0 fluid ounces. This one here on the sides, you're not getting anything on the sides. The top, nothing on the sides. On the bottom, you do have some batch code and other information like that, as well as on the back you've got an ingredients list, a barcode, and all that cool stuff there. So we are going to be taking a look to see if this fragrance right here is absolutely amazing, or does it suck. I've heard a lot about this. This has been like made the tops of lists of, like, you know, sweet spicy fragrances, tops, number ones, all of that good stuff. And I think Miss Fresh thinks it's her absolute most favorite. So we're going to see if we agree with all of those reviews, and we are going to open this puppy up and we are going to see what's going on. So on this one here, you've got, just like the Montserrat, I'm guessing that Montale is maybe a little bit of a lower level than Montserrat, because in the Montale you get these bags here, but they are not like fake leather. They're just like a cloth, right? So you just get a little bit cloth, but you can definitely tell it comes from the same factory. You're definitely getting the same type of thing. And this one here, you get like an aluminum bottle rather than glass. And you've got, you know, this little pin here. So similar to like a Jean Paul Gaultier or a Spice Bomb, you've got that stuff there. Let's get rid of that. And let's get rid of that as well. And take a look at it. So it's very light. I'm not used to feeling the weight of these fragrances. And this thing clinks and clanks all over the place, spins around there pretty good. It does look like it's got the atomizer from Montserrat that I don't like, and that is, you know, this one here. There is no cap, so, but you do have this little protective dealie here that like pins it out. This seems to be pretty decent quality metal. It's got some weight and some heft to it compared to some of the plastic ones, or like say like the ones you get from the JPGs. But let's, you know what, the presentation really isn't important, although it does look nice on the shelves back here. We are going to take a look and see if this one smashes the box. Let's check out the atomizer. So yeah, it's definitely the same atomizer as the one I don't like. It's clanky, it's creaky, it's not smooth. It's good. It's good. It's definitely spicy, but it's definitely going to sit on, it's spicy, but it's spicy in an almost in a unisex way. It's not a dark, deep, rich, sweet, you know, tobacco leather goodness. It smells like something to me. It smells like, okay, this is gonna sound really weird to people, but it smells like tortilla chips, corn tortillas that you would use for like enchiladas. I mean, that's just what it smells like. I don't know if you want to go around smelling like corn tortillas for enchiladas, but you know what I'm talking about. Like, it's got that vibe. Like, it doesn't smell exactly like that, but that's kind of what it reminds me of. Like when you cooked enchiladas and it's got the, you know, the red sauce and, you know, all of that stuff. That's kind of what it smells. That's kind of what it smells like for me. But it smells good. It's not like you're spraying enchiladas on your arm, but it's definitely gonna have, you know, spicy. But I'm gonna have to wait till I look and see what the notes are on this one. But it's not the same type of spiciness. Maybe it's the wood. It's good, man. It's good on skin. I don't know. We'll have to do a full review. I'll have to wear this, give this one a few wears and check it out on skin. I already have fragrance on today. Otherwise I would put it on right now. It smells good. Like it has a pleasant smell. but it's not a sweet, you know, vanillic type of a spicy sweet. Let's grab the phone. Let's open up the Parfumo app and let's take a look at the notes for this one here. So we're gonna open up wood and spices from Montale over here on the Parfumo app. I'm not sponsored by them either, but I use this app a lot. I track it. I use it to track my fragrances that I purchase. It lets me know what I've got my collection on and all of that good stuff. So if you haven't used the app, check it out. It's pretty cool. Let's see. The notes are, so you got cardamom and sandalwood. It doesn't tell you top, bottom, mid. It's just giving you notes here. So you got cardamom, sandalwood, pimento, vetiver, ebony, and frankincense. So yeah, I mean, I guess that's what it smells like. Maybe it's the pimento. Maybe that pimento, you know, like from like the pimento, like a pimento that goes in an olive. It's got a little bit of the sweetness from it, and I don't know if that's coming from the cardamom, the sandalwood, and the frankincense. I'm not smelling an earthy vetiver, so it's got to be like a more, but it smells good. Like, it smells good. Would I say that this is my favorite fragrance? Like, this is the best fragrance that I have, like the sexiest fragrance that I have in my collection? No, sorry, Miss Fresh. I don't agree. Like, she puts this one over Spice Bomb Extreme. I don't see how that is. But I mean, she's a girl. I'm not. It's good. Like, it's a good fragrance. I would give it 8 out of 10. Wood and spices from Montale. I don't know. What do you guys think? Am I crazy? Does it smell? Have I ruined this for you? Do you have this fragrance? And now that I've told you, it kind of smells like, in the opening, it smells like enchiladas. Does that ruin it for you? What have I, or am I just insane here? But I can only tell you guys what I think. I can only tell you guys what I smell. You know, bottle wise, again, you got silver fingerprint magnet. You can already see the fingerprints on it on the camera, right? I mean, it's just an absolute fingerprint disaster. But yeah, it smells good. Still getting a little bit of the enchilada smell, but although that's starting to go away, and I'm just really starting to get the, you know, it's very unique. It's unique. It's unique. Like, it doesn't smell like any other fragrance in my collection, and I don't have a small collection now. I have over 100 fragrances, so I don't know, folks. I'll have to test this one out on skin, but if you guys check it out, let me know down below. Am I nuts, or have I just ruined this for you because I made a connection that you hadn't thought of before? And like I said, this is just straight off of paper. This is not, I haven't worn this one on skin. I don't know, guys. Let me know down below what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. I'm out of here. Peace.